Welcome to the Holiday Inn and Suites, City Center, Rayong, Thailand. Almost exclusively business travelers stay here, with Rayong being such a manufacturing hub here in Thailand. Beautiful marble tile throughout the lobby with vaulted ceiling above. There is a bar slash cafe on this level, but most of you traveling here are business travelers, and I expect many of you to have lounge access through IHG Lounge Pass or simply by booking a lounge access room. After check-in, I've gone straight up to the 27th floor where the executive lounge is located. If someone else is booking your trip for you, I highly recommend that you request a lounge access room to get access here. First takeaway here is plenty of seating, and the lounge is actually functional for business use. Convenient desktop computer to the left for printing. There's plenty of floor outlets scattered throughout the lounge to charge all of your devices. And there's also a boardroom inside the lounge that you may reserve as needed. There's a fruit tray along with soft drinks available throughout the day. Because I'm here at about 4:30 range, we're a little bit early for the complimentary happy hour, but we'll take a look around here before then, before it gets busy. I like to highlight these lounges in the afternoons prior to the happy hours. That way you can actually see it as a functional space. At 5 p.m., the bar is open. Brut, Sauvignon Blanc, Cabernet, Chong and Singa beers, and plenty of Western spirits, all complimentary until 7 p.m. Each day there is 2 hot plate dishes. Today is fried cauliflower with curry sauce and ham and cheese toasties. Both were excellent. Moving over to the cold hors d'oeuvres, bruschetta and red wine onion jam is the first one. Next up is grilled chicken Caesar rolls. Whole fruits off to the side include oranges, mini bananas, which are very sweet, and Honeycrisp apples. Also some cut fruits, dragon fruit, and a very vibrant red watermelon. The salad bar includes cheese board, deli sliced cold cuts, and mixed salad. And did I mention, with this lounge being on the 27th floor, it has excellent views out to the ocean. I did a little 10x zoom on my camera here, that way you can see the fishing boats and small cargo vessels. Very awesome views up here. Day 2, we go up to level 29 for the infinity pool. I love the design of this space where there's ample shade to enjoy the views. Luckily, no rain today, but you can expect it almost daily, May through October. Now I'll be quiet, that way you can enjoy the views. Let's go check out my 1-bedroom suite located on the 25th floor. This was a comp upgrade with my IHG Diamond status. First impression, this breakfast nook is very close to the door and made it difficult to bring luggage in, but there's plenty of seating arrangements as well. I do appreciate the full kitchenette with sink. 1-bedroom suites in hotels rarely have this. Nespresso light coffee maker on top of the counter with 4 daily waters. Plenty of glassware and silverware for ordering room service or delivery. The refrigerator located inside of the cabinetry is very large in size for a hotel fridge. It's probably waist high at least. The living area begins with a full-sized work desk, sectional couch with an additional chair that reminds me of the IHG turquoise blue. This one bedroom suite is sold as a mountain view. However, it rained during the filming of this room, so I was unable to film that. The bedroom has plenty of space for 2 guests and boasts a king bed, another 40-inch TV in the bedroom, additional IHG blue chair. Moving over to the nightstand, there's a convenient iHome alarm clock for iPhone users. That's a nice touch. Now let's take a wide angle view of this room and then head over to the bathroom. There's no rain shower head in this bathroom. However, I do appreciate the standing tub. That's great for cold plunge users like me or just to take a warm bath. The closet is more of an open concept with the shelving. It does have some hanger space, but nothing closes completely. There's also a nice cubby hole space up top, so you could actually put your luggage up there as well. There's a lockbox, of course, full-size ironing board, so plenty of space overall. One last look at the shower room and toilet. Again, no rain shower head, which I normally look for in Asian hotels. With the exception of that, this one bedroom suite pretty much has all of the amenities and features that you would look for in a suite like this. Now, since it's morning time, let's go upstairs to the gym and check out that. First thing to note is plenty of actual bottled water, so you can just grab one up here and do your workout. When it comes to equipment, the machines are pretty much all the basics. I was a bit disappointed with the selection of dumbbells, only going up to 20 kilos, but we'll give them a pass on that. Universal machine to my left here, chest press. There's plenty of treadmills and ellipticals, and everywhere in this space has a view, so that is a nice touch. Now it's time to go down to level 5 for breakfast. My favorite perk of IHG status is getting free breakfast. In Asia, the spreads are incredible. Starting at the carbohydrate station, plenty of pastries, breads, waffle station as well. We'll take a quick look at that. And then to the left of this area is the fresh cut fruits, also a cheese board. Next up, egg station allows you to build your own omelet or eggs your way. You may also just grab ready-made scrambled eggs or sunny side up if you want that. Moving along, there's some stir-fried options including pad kapow, one of my favorites. Western breakfast options like red beans, sausages, ham, and my favorite, bacon. Here's a few Indian dishes to the left, including lentils and green curry chicken. Also, here's some Thai curry options. Yeah, here's the green Thai curry. At the end of the buffet is the fried rice and steamed rice. There's 3 coffee stations. The special of the day is Thai grilled pork skewers. These are really good. I highly recommend it if you see these. And to the left of that, also the special is sticky rice. Pretty interesting. When it comes to drinks, there's freshly pressed juices, including orange, cranberry, pineapple. And for the kids, there's some cereal to the left. With it being day 3, it's time for me to check out and give my final thoughts on this Holiday Inn in Rayong, Thailand. Would I stay here again? Probably not. Checking out of 2511. I like the room upgrade and the features of this hotel. However, I'm not really a business traveler, and this is almost exclusively a conference hotel. I prefer Pattaya and the Holiday Inn on Beach Road there when considering IHG properties.
Thank you. See you next time.
This location was also not easy to drop off laundry outside the hotel. I had to walk a half kilometer to drop off. Overall, I think this hotel is the best option in Rayong for business travelers, especially if you want the lounge access. But tourists should probably stick to Pattaya or one of the islands instead. Thanks for staying until the end. Leave a comment below with your take on the hotel, and we'll see you again shortly.